are from K1T17. Our group name is M4STP plus 1. Our group member include 4 members from SDPN and 1 member from Education. Now let me introduce myself. My name is Sigwaning and I'm from LAC.
I'm Yaoshen, I'm from Perak.
Hi, I'm Xiaoyi, I'm from Sarawak.
I'm Tan Zhenxiang from Johor. And I'm Edison Liu from Sarawak.
Our partners is K1T17. Engineering field is planning, design, construction, and maintenance of physically and natural built environment, including the public such as the roads, highways, airports, pipelines, and structural components of building. Civil engineering is the oldest. It's named after military engineering. It has many branches such as the environmental engineering, transportation engineering, structural engineering, water resource and geotechnical engineering. Transportation engineering put attention to designing, maintaining, and constructing transportation infrastructure such as the road, streets, and the airports. Structural engineering identifies the kinds of load acting on the structure and takes into account the stability, the stiffness, and the strength of the structure. Geotechnical engineering is based on the knowledge from geology and material science. It more focuses on economical foundation and utility. Water resource engineering concerns about the collection and management of water. It is closely related to the design of pipelines, water supply networks, drainage facility, and canals. Finally, environmental engineering tracks chemical, biological, and thermal waste. It also in charge of giving information on possible environmental consequences.
So for the structural engineering, the assignment requires us to choose one of the buildings around the Faculty of Civil Engineering and discuss about the total self-weight and the load carried out by the building. The building that is selected by our group is M48. First, we need to carry out the approximate measurement of each part of the building. We'll use in the sketch drawing to show the structural layout and also the dimension. These 3 types of dimension are plan view, front view, and side view. Also, we use the AutoCAD to obtain a 3D view of the building to make sure that we have a clear view to the building. For the calculation of cell weight of the building for the slabs, beams, and columns are based on the approximate density of its material. So we assume all of them are made of 100% of concrete with a weight density of 24 kN. However, for the calculation of cell weight of the roof is totally different from other parts. We assume the roof is hollow and combination of different shapes. The hollow roof is made up of one type of roof tile with a constant unit weight of 58.565 kg per meter square. Then, we need to figure out the total surface area of the roof in order to calculate its total self-weight. Now, come to the part of the load carried out by the building. This is the most complex part for this assignment. We need to justify the type of slabs of the building are either one-way slabs or two-way slabs because they bring different calculations in the end. After that, the cell weight of the slabs will distribute to the primary beams and secondary beams. Lastly, the total load carried out will be distributed to their respective columns. Also, bear in mind that the brick wall of the building will never carry any load. In short, this assignment requires the knowledge in measurement and good understanding in building structure.
The subtopic of civil engineering that I'm going to explain on is water resources engineering. For this assignment, we are assigned to focus on coastal erosion and its mitigation. In order to study this issue, we are given the chance to study the flood case that has been a nuisance to the Kelantanese for the past 25 years. The northeast coast of Kelantan had suffered massive land loss due to coastal erosion, especially during monsoon season, when rainfall increases drastically. Hence, the water level of river will increases, leading to flood. Not only leading to flood, it also affects the safety and navigation efficiency to the fishermen and boat operators. Apparently, land reclamation is a holistic solution to the eroded coastlines. Meanwhile, a channel to be dredged for the access of boats from time to time. From our discussion, we realized that this solution can't solve the problem forever, as coastal erosion is a phenomenon that can't be avoided. Therefore, we think that this effort should be carried out from time to time, depending on the real situation. And the coastal erosion should be supervised by the local authorities so that action could be taken once the situation had been worsened. Our first step of solution is dredging, that is to increase the depth of river, hence increasing the maximum capacity of the river. Considering to reduce the cost of the project, sand and sediments from the dredge channel will be used for the land reclamation of the eroded part. Therefore, sand to be imported will be reduced efficiently and therefore the cost. Based on the topography and bathymetric contour of Kuala Besar, we could identify the depth of river, hence analyzing the volume of dredge channel. The area of the dredge channel could be calculated easily. However, we met trouble in obtaining the depth. Since the depth of the river is uneven, we could only obtain the approximate depth of the river by getting the average. Following the volume of sand of the dredge channel, the size of land reclamation area is also calculated as well.
For this video making assignment, we are in partnership with a group of 5 K2 international students. Upon discussion with them, we have interchanged the information regarding the 2 assignments each team have done. The 2 assignments allocated to our partnership team are done individually and under the branches of transportation engineering and environmental engineering. For the first assignment, students are required to give their own opinions on the road and traffic system at the School of Civil Engineering in UTM. Students have to conduct a field investigation around the designated area to analyze and identify the occurring problems of the road and traffic system at the School of Civil Engineering in UTM. Then, suggestions of ways and initiatives to solve and improve the issues are proposed. The first issue they touch is making improvement on the sidewalk, and it is uneven and uncomfortable to the pedestrians. As such, students rather drive on their own, which leads to traffic jam. Next problem is there is no bus services that goes directly to the School of Civil Engineering. Therefore, it's suggested that the school management should provide bus services at all routes in UTM so that students can access easily to their own faculty. Moreover, other suggestions of improvements are made, such as provide bicycle lanes, renovate the damages on the road such as holes on the road, replace the broken traffic signs, and also repay the traffic lights.
The second assignment, they are required to make 3-minute videos on environmental issues. As international students, they decided to focus on environmental issues that occurred in Malaysia. As we know, environmental pollution problem in Malaysia has a long history. River pollution by mine wastewater and sludge began with the development of tin mining, a traditional industry that started at the turn of century about 100 years ago. In 1960, Malaysia pursued rapid industrialization supported by foreign investment has led to a whole new raft of pollution problems, mainly caused by industrial wastewater and other waste. Years, air pollution caused by terminal increase in road traffic, accompanied by economic development, and water pollution from household wastewater has become an obvious problem that particularly affects the urban area. Another reason problem is haze, which is a phenomenon where smoke and fog caused by particular matter that obscure the clarity of sky. Haze has affected the community greatly as it brings not only respiratory complaints, also other major health issues. In a nutshell, all parties should play their parts in taking drastic measures in order to solve these environmental issues before it's too late. In conclusion, civil engineering is a broad field which deals with a number of sub-disciplines. In completing these 4 assignments, the principle of geotechnical, structural, transportation, and environmental engineering is primarily focused on and applied. Therefore, the assignment done played a great role in introducing us, the first year of civil engineering student, to the basic concept of civil engineering before we step into deeper understanding of the cost structure in the further years of our studies. Initially, when we thought of civil engineering, the only connection we can make is it is all about construction and buildings. Hence, by completing this assignment, it enables us to come to a realization that civil engineering is more than what it appears to be.
Hi guys, we are from K1T17. Our group name is M4STP+1. Our group includes 4 members for SPPM.
The volume of sand from the drag channel.
In short, the next problem is there is no bus services that go directly that they can identify, and the School of Civil Engineering to solve and identify that ways of